You again? Good afternoon, Mr. Bartley. Okay, so I see that we're here again. I wonder why. Okay, I have a few questions I'm gonna have to ask you. I need serious answers. Okay, so how was your life growing up?
We suffering every day, cause life so fucked up, me brother.
Okay. And Mr. Bartley, why don't you talk about your life often? Right. Gonna move on. This is a question I know everyone wants to know the answer to. So let me go ahead and ask you this question again. Because you've placed us in this position because you've refused to listen and take my advices seriously. Okay. Why do you allow this girl to lead your life? Miss Steph, yes, I'm talking about Miss Steph. Answer the question.
Not Pinocchio, sorry I'm not no Romeo. She want me for herself, but she have to know that's not the way it goes.
Excuse me. Okay, this is a question. And it's about the future. And I need you to take this one. I need you to take this one very seriously. Alright. I'm gonna ask you now. So what do you feel like doing with your life now? Excuse me, Mr. Bartley. I think you're forgotten that I am your therapist and you do not speak to me in that term or in that manner. You address me properly. This is business. Next question. What type of females do you normally go for? Let me see your answer to this question.
That bitch on off taste, baby.
You can see why your life is like this. But anyway, let me not get into that. Why do you now have less money than the artists upcoming for today?
Me that's where money pan girl every time.
Well, I'm glad to see that we can both agree on what is your downfall. I'm glad that you can see it yourself. This is a topic that I did not want to touch, but because you've brought yourself back into my office, I'm gonna try to get you out as soon as possible. So, Mr. Bartley, are you still smoking after I told you not to?
Have some faith in a man, we no grow like that, no.
Okay, no problem, man. Understand? Okay, last question. I wanted to answer this fast so you can out my office. Okay. Let me look at this very carefully. So it says here that you have been losing weight. So my question is going to be, why have you been losing weight, Mr. Bartley?
I'm stressed out, I'm miss my friend.
It happens. It happens to the best of us. It happens. I'm not going to judge you on that one. So I'm going to write up what I have to say so I can give you this pamphlet to give to your doctor. Okay? Okay, so from this session I have seen a bit of improvement. Not very much, but I think we can go on from here. So you know what? Yes. Thank you for coming, Mr. Bartley. And I will have to see you next session, okay? Okay.